get the best talent, how do you keep it? PI is a robust talent management system designed for the entire life cycle of an employee, from role design through succession planning and everything in between. The golden rule, treat people the way you want to be treated, doesn't work. Platinum rule, treat people the way they need to be treated, is the key for maximizing the human capacity in any department, division, or entity. It doesn't take much to be an awesome manager, about a minute, minute and a half a day. By using the science and discovering the motivating needs of each individual, they're all unique. Each individual, you have an opportunity to practice the platinum rule. Treat people the way they need to be treated.